What in here, folk, kinfolk? This is Neighborhood Player Partner. We back with another episode of Taste of Goldie, and today I'm doing a how-to video on how to make a Butterfinger pound cake with a caramel glaze. Yeah, y'all heard that correct. A Butterfinger pound cake with a caramel glaze. So the ingredients you're gonna need: butter. You're gonna use 4 sticks of butter. Cake flour, regular flour, Butterfinger bites, or if you want to buy a Butterfinger and chop them up yourself, you can do that. 4 eggs, baking powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of sugar, a cup of milk, and vanilla extract. So we won't get into it. Y'all stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is mix your dry ingredients together. I took 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and mix it together. That's our dry. Now we're going to start on our 4 sticks of butter. Soften. You don't want it to be fresh. You want it to be softened butter, so it'll be easy to mix together. You want to cream the butter and sugar together so it's well combined. There's our butter. Now I'm going to take our sugar and pour it in. Now we're going to Now we're going to add in our eggs one by one. Mix. Oops, you see 2 went in there. So now we're going to add some of our dry ingredients, and you're going to alternate. You're going to start with the dry and end with dry. Back to the money, back to the basics, back to the business, count up the blue faces, back to the grind, pissing off all the haters. Tell me how I feel to look up in the face of greatness. Yeah, back to the basics, back to the basics, back to the basics, back to the money, count up the blue faces, back to the basics, I'ma make a me whether you sleeping in the trap, but they like Goldie, where you been? I had to take time to get my money, yeah, my mental right. For lack of better time, now I'm back to snapping. Yeah, I'm back to rapping. Told them I won't quit until the rolls and I left it back to backing. And these niggas that fronted don't make it watch me count up the backing. 360 camera on the whip to help me backing. Only time in the caddy is you see me lacking. Buzz told me, bro, gotta make a meal off making meals. Promise I'ma be neat about it when I make a meal. Back to the money, back to the basics, back to the business, counting up these blue faces. Back to the grind, pissing off all the haters. Tell me how I feel to look up in the face of greatness. Yeah, back to the basics. Yeah, back to the basics. Back to the basics, back to the money, count up these blue faces. Back to the money, count up these blue faces. Got tired of being broke, had to get back to paper chasing. Got tired of waiting, had to get back to the basics. The fundamentals were only about my funds and my mental. Had to get back to the pad and the pencil so they could feel my sentiments on this instrumental. Flow regulated like a minstrel.